students, welcome back to our English class. In this video, I will tell you about too big, too small. Okay, too big, too small. Big means பெருசு, smallனா சின்னது. Too bigனா ரொம்ப பெருசு, too smallனா ரொம்ப சின்னது. So this is very big, this is very small. Okay, little in size, this is very big in size. So what does that mean? I can't lift you up. Manu says mom. See here, he is asking his mom to carry him. Mom replies, I can't lift you up, Manu, says mom. Here we have a character, Manu, and we are having few sentences, few dialogues, few conversations in which we can understand about too big and too small. You are too big, says mom. Then when he is coming to his father, he wants to go to school alone. You can't walk to school alone, Manu, says dad. You are too small. Then he is actually going to sleep in the cradle. Then his grandfather said, you can't sleep in the cradle, Manu, says grandpa. You are too big. You can't carry the baby to park, Manu, says grandma. You are too small. Here one is too big, too small, too big and too small. Then coming to our next page, he is just thinking, Manu thinks too big, too small. How can he be too big and too small all at once in the same time? How can he be too small and too big? Can you imagine a guy is small and big at the same time? Too big to wear his old pink shirt. He is struggling to wear the shirt because that shirt is too small and he is too big. Here he is trying to make dosa and the pan is too big for him. He is too small. Too big to climb on grandpa's back. He is grown up, so he is too big to climb on grandpa's back. Then here he is carrying a child, a baby. Too small to carry the baby. He itself very small, a child, so he is too small to carry a baby. What am I the right size for? Manu wonders. He is wondering, what am I the right size to do? What can I do which will be the right one? Then mom is saying, mom smiles and says, why you are just big enough to go to school. Then when he comes to father, he says, and you are just small enough for me to carry you on my shoulders, says dad. Here he is with his grandpa. You are just big enough to take me for my morning walk, say grandpa. Then finally when he comes to grandmother, grandma is telling, and you are just small enough for me to tell stories to, says grandma. You're always the perfect size for our hug. All say and give him a warm, wonderful hug. Okay? This is just for your understanding about too big, too small. Okay? You are small for some work, some activity. You are big for some work and some activities. Okay? So it depends on what you do. இங்கே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மனுங்கிற ஒரு கேரக்டர் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அவன் செய்கிற சில டெய்லி ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் பற்றி பார்க்கும். அதில் அவன் எதுக்கு டூ பிக், எதுக்கு டூ ஸ்மால் அப்படிங்கிறத இங்கே உங்களுக்கு காமிச்சிருக்காங்க. பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஒன் பை ஒன் நான் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ண மாதிரி அவன் எதுக்கெல்லாம் பிக், எதுக்கெல்லாம் ஸ்மால் அப்படிங்கிறத இங்கே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. தென் கமிங் டு யுவர் நெக்ஸ்ட் பேஜ், take the correct one. Too small to make dosa, too big to make dosa. He was too small to make dosa. He was small and the pan was big for him. So, too small to make dosa. அவன் ரொம்ப சின்னதாக இருந்தான், சின்ன பையனாக இருந்தான். எதுக்குன்னா தோசை பண்ணுறதுக்கு. Then comes too small to wear his old shirt. Too big to wear his old shirt. He was big enough so that that shirt was not fitting him. அவன் பெருசாக இருந்ததுனால அந்த ஷர்ட் எல்லாம் சின்னதாக இருந்தது அவனுக்கு பத்தலை. ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு சே டூ பிக். ஹி வாஸ் டூ பிக் டு வியர் ஹிஸ் ஓல்டு ஷர்ட். இந்த இடத்துல என்ன மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறாங்கன்னா டூ பிக்ங்கிறது அவனை மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறாங்க. இஃப் யூ ஆர் கோயிங் ஆன் த கான்செப்ட் ஆஃப் ஷர்ட், ஓகே, தென் இட் வில் பி டூ ஸ்மால். ஓகே, shirt was too small, or you can say he was too big to wear his old shirt. Then next picture, what his grandma was telling, too big to carry the baby or too small to carry the baby. The baby was already small and this child was also small, so he was too small to carry the baby. அவன் சின்னதா இருந்தான், ரொம்ப சின்னதா இருந்தான். So what you have to mention there, too small to carry the baby. Then coming to our next one, it is a handwriting practice also. Who said these words? Choose and write. First one, what am I the right size for? Who was thinking? This was, yes, Manu. Then I can't lift you up. Who said? Mom said she can't lift Manu. You can't sleep in the cradle. That was said by grandpa. Is Manu big enough to walk to school alone? No, Manu is not big enough to walk to school alone. Manu was not big enough, also you can use. Why can't Manu make dosa? He was too small to make dosa. Manu was too small, so he cannot make dosa. Why can't Manu climb on grandpa's back? Manu was too big. He was too big. When he was small, he can climb grandpa's back. Now he is too big to climb on grandpa's back. Then, are you big or small? This one is your assignment.